I'm going to compare Hansa Yellow Light to Lemon Yellow. In the last video, I compared Hansa Yellow Medium and Hansa Yellow Light. I ended up thinking that Hansa Yellow Light had a little bit more glow to it. So now I'm going to compare that to Lemon Yellow. And I'm going to compare Hansa Yellow Light to Lemon Yellow. They are two different pigments, and I'm using Daniel Smith here, and they are, Hansa Yellow Light is PY3, Series 2, and the light fastness is 2. No, it's a Series 1. Series 1, light fastness 2. So, and on this, it doesn't say the transparency, but in my opinion, you can get any watercolor a little bit transparent. Today, we're going to test the hues of these. Lemon Yellow is PY, let me find it, PY 138, I believe. Oh no, it's PY 175. And it is a Series 1, light fastness of 1. So, okay, we're going to see which one, how they compare in hue to each other. So I'm going to get my Princeton number 8, and I'm going to label these lemon. You can't even see that. So let me get a ink pen here. Maybe you can see this. So let me get a Posca pen. You'll be able to see that a little bit better, I think. Lemon Yellow and Hansa Yellow Light. Hansa Yellow Light. Okay, so we're just going to paint these out and see how they compare in hue first to each other. And I'm going to do it in full mass tone, straight from the tube. Okay, so this is Lemon Yellow. A lot of artists use Lemon Yellow for their yellow. This tube is kind of hard. Okay, Lemon Yellow. Let me get some water here. Got a big old glob of paint on there. Okay, let me get some water. See how it flows out. A little bit. All right, now let's get Hansa Yellow Light. I don't know, Lemon Yellow does have a little bit of a green tint to it. So we'll see. I mean, I can see it. I don't know if it comes through on camera. Here's Hansa Yellow Light. Being it's a series, it's PY3, Our Light Yellow. And this one is benzimidazolone yellow. Okay. Similar. I think it's brighter. I think it's more vibrant. I don't know if it flows as well. Let's see. It's moving. On the camera, it looks to me like Hansa Yellow Light is more vibrant. It's not really moving a whole lot. However, I can see more green in lemon yellow than I can in Hansa Yellow Light. It just seems to be a more true glowing yellow. Now let's look back and see that Hansa Yellow Medium. You know, this is real warm, more like sunshine. Hansa Yellow Light. And lemon yellow and Hansa Yellow Light. Okay, so now I'm going to see how they mix. Okay, so we're going to take, let me get my palette out here so I have a color to mix with. And I'm going to mix this with, let's do for a different thing, let's do phthalo blue. And this right here is phthalo blue. Let's get it down to where you can see it. It's this one right here. So I'm going to get a little bit on the page. Phthalo blue. Now I'm going to get a little bit of lemon yellow and mix that with the phthalo blue. Now, if it's low tinting strength, it will take a lot. I didn't get very much, but look at that green. That's beautiful. And you can do anything with that green. Stays vibrant, stays strong, but it would make a better green if it leans more towards green. Okay, so let's get that Hansa Yellow Light. And we're going to do the same thing with it.
SKU 2006.
Okay, so I'm going to put some more down. I got interrupted, so here is some phthalo blue. I'm just going to put it on top of this. Phthalo blue. Now I'm going to put it with Hansa Yellow Light. That was lemon yellow. Here is Hansa Yellow Light. And we'll put it in there. Pretty. Very similar. A little bit darker. Unless it's, let me pull a little bit more in there. Very similar. That lemon yellow seems to be a little bit less tinting strength. So, and a little bit more, we'll wait till this dries and see how it dries. Sometimes they can dry down a little dull. So I always test to see which one I like first. So this is lemon yellow and this is Hansa Yellow Light. Now I'm going to mix them with quinacridone red. And I use quinacridone red as my red. It could be quinacridone rose. To be honest, I think it is quinacridone rose. So I'm going to mix that with, I lost my cheat sheet on where my colors were. I know most of them, but you know, I just lost it. Here's lemon yellow. Makes a beautiful orange. Let's put a little bit more on there and see if we can't get it. This lemon yellow I've had for a long time, so yeah, it makes a beautiful orange. It does seem to have a little bit of, I don't know, granulation or something. I see it over here, and I'm seeing it here. This seems a little bit cleaner. I'm seeing it just a little bit here too. Not much, just a little bit. Okay, so here, let's go back into here and get some. I'll do it down here. I don't know which color that is. I don't know if it's quinacridone red or quinacridone rose. The reason I say rose is because I labeled this as my floral palette. So, and I probably did put quinacridone rose in here. So let's see what this Hansa yellow medium or Hansa yellow light. And see, I do like that better. That gives a really nice coral color. Beautiful. Beautiful coral. Let's add a little bit more. And I think it gives more coral because it has a little bit less green. Let's put a little bit more in here and see what kind of orange we get. Really pretty. Okay, so that is my choice for between lemon yellow and Hansa yellow light. I like Hansa yellow light. So far, that will be my cool yellow in my palette, my future palette. Okay, if you like this kind of video, let me know and I'll do some more. I will do another yellow comparison. I still have quinacridone yellow, cadmium yellow medium hue, Mayan yellow. So we've got some, and Naples yellow. So we got some more yellows to compare. So talk to you later. Hope you have a good day. Bye.